So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to highlight expiration dates or due dates here in Google Sheets. So very simple example in front of you guys. I have the name of about 7 or 8 people. I have the day they checked in somewhere. I have the date they checked out of somewhere or they're going to check out of somewhere. And I want to basically have every checkout date that is now expired highlighted. So this could be a due date, an expiration date, whatever the case may be that you want highlighted. So in this case, it's pretty straightforward. I only have about 7 examples, but if you had like 800, this is where this comes into handy. So first thing you have to do is highlight the data. So in this case, I'm going to highlight the checkout date. Then at the top, I want you guys to go to Format, and then go down to where it says Conditional Formatting. Then on this page right here, make sure that your date, your apply date range is selected. So in my case, D2 to D8. That's all good. Where it says Format Cells If, I want you guys to scroll all the way down to where it says Custom Formula. Now in the value or formula spot right here, I want you to go ahead and type in equals. I want you to copy your first day. So in my case, D2. I then want you to go like that. Then I want you to do today. So today is greater than D2. Bracket, bracket, just like that. And go to the bottom to where you want it to be highlighted. So in this case, it's highlighted green. But if you wanted to highlight this red and go ahead and press on done. So as you guys can tell, the day I'm recording this video is June 1st. So any date that is prior to June 1st would mean that it's expired. And in this case, you can tell it is highlighted just like that. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to highlight expirations or due dates in Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.